So, there's a load of videos on the FM2 on YouTube where people have a common problem where the film advancer is stuck in this position here, and where I found I took the lens off, the mirror was stuck up. So what fixed it was put a little bit of paper in here just to check that the mirror wasn't getting stuck to the foam, which is a common problem. It gets gummy. It took a few goes, but basically you have to, what I did anyway, was when this was stuck up like that, I pulled it down, pulled the mirror down whilst advancing this, i.e. you have to move the lever out the way and then pull the film advancer. And yeah, it is now working. And it took quite a few goes. You can see the mirror needs a really good clean. The other thing I did was I sprayed it with some air duster, compressed air, just in there generally. So I just wasn't sure if something was stuck. People say there could be some grime, so I gave it a couple of sprays. And I don't know whether it was that or the fact that I pulled the mirror down, but pulling the mirror down seems to do the best job, and it just seems to have reset the mechanism. So yeah, happy days really. Just need to learn how to clean all that next. Good luck, hope it all goes well. The thing I absolutely meant to mention is when you're taking the bottom off the camera, use JIS screwdrivers, Japanese industry standard. You'll need the 00 to get the bottom off, and without that you will round the screws off. Very important.